Good morning. Uh, Today is Sunday. We're going to the HRA meeting, Angeles Hot Rod Association meeting. We're gonna bring this S10 to be driven today and the Camaro right there. So we still have some things that we need to do here, but it's already drivable except for the one more thing for the fan. So once we sort that out, we already got a new fan. It's in there, and here's the car running down the ground. We did some dyno pull the last time, so S10. Here's the dash. Interior not done yet, so we'll do that last as long as drivable.